Good morning. I present you ZA008 163 Blue Bar cock. He's a medium to bigger sized handler. Very well muscled cock. Silky soft feathers. Superb balance. As you can see here. He has a very nice wing. So his father is an imported Greipel Kittel cock, which we expect a lot from. We sold the father's children last year for the first time. The mother is a daughter out of our two top breeding pigeons. The mother's father is a son, is 883. He's a son of Alwyn Bester Super Pair, 63384 and 637. And her mother, Firefox 371, is a granddaughter to 264. And her first baby was 7th final for us in the Supper Summer Race. So on the mother's side, we have a double line bred 264. As I said, I really like the cock. Strong, nice handler, beautiful wing, great potential. Thank you.